So these might not look like much, but these old patch panels, these racks, the racks are aluminum. There's steel on the front, but you know, aluminum has got a little bit of value. And then each panel, each patch panel, if you look, all those are gold-plated pins in each one, in each Ethernet jack. As you can see, I already got all the good old telephone cable out. But these things are good gold. Some batteries too. Those are pretty good priced. Yeah. Transformer. Some THHN ground wire. And then a couple more. Couple bundles. Some more ground. Some more thick. It's gonna be good.